Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my mindset to unlock wealth and abundance. Let's see if I can really grow rich just by changing the way I think. Your mindset plays a crucial role in achieving wealth and success. It's the foundation upon which your entire financial journey is built. If your mindset is limited, your financial growth will be limited too. But if you can shift your mindset, you can unlock a world of possibilities and opportunities. In this video, we're going to explore the power of mindset and how it can help you achieve financial success. One of the biggest barriers to financial success is the fear of failure. We're so afraid of taking risks and making mistakes that we often end up playing it safe, but playing it safe rarely leads to financial freedom. Another common mindset barrier is the fear of not being good enough. We think we need to have all the answers and be an expert in every area before we can take action, but the truth is, nobody starts out as an expert. We all learn as we go, and it's okay to not know everything. Limiting beliefs are also a major obstacle to financial success. We tell ourselves things like "I'm not good with money," or "I'll never be able to afford that," and those beliefs hold us back from taking action and pursuing our goals. And then there's the mindset of scarcity, where we believe that there's only so much to go around and that we need to compete with others to get what we want. This mindset leads to a life of stress and anxiety, always worried about what others are doing and trying to keep up. When we're stuck in these mindset barriers, it's hard to see a way out. But the good news is that we have the power to change our mindset. We can choose to adopt a growth mindset, where we see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. We can focus on abundance instead of scarcity, believing that there's more than enough to go around and that everyone can win. We can take action despite our fears and doubts, knowing that it's the only way to move forward. One of the most powerful mindset shifts I've experienced personally is the shift from focusing on what I lack to focusing on what I already have. When I started focusing on what I was grateful for, my entire perspective changed. I started to see opportunities instead of obstacles, and I started to take action towards my goals. I realized that I already had everything I needed to succeed, and that all I needed to do was trust myself and take the leap. This mindset shift has been instrumental in my financial success, and I believe it can be for you too. It's not about ignoring your problems or challenges, but about focusing on what you can control and taking action towards your goals. It's about trust and faith in yourself and the universe, knowing that everything will work out in the end. The most impactful mindset change that can lead to financial success is the shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. When we believe that our abilities and intelligence are fixed, we're limited by what we think is possible. But when we believe that we can learn and grow, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We're no longer held back by our fears and doubts, and we're able to take action towards our goals with confidence and certainty. I've seen this mindset shift in action in my own life, and it's been transformational. I've gone from feeling stuck and limited to feeling empowered and confident. And I know it can be the same for you. It's not about being perfect or having all the answers, it's about being willing to learn and grow, and taking action towards your goals despite your fears and doubts. In summary, our mindset plays a crucial role in our financial success. By adopting a growth mindset, focusing on abundance, and taking action despite our fears and doubts, we can overcome the mindset barriers that hold us back and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's all about perspective and attitude. When we shift our mindset, we shift our entire reality. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What mindset shifts have you experienced that have led to financial success? Share your stories and tips with me, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on practical steps to implement these mindset changes. See you in the next video.